Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word blessed. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I feel so blessed to have such loving and supportive friends and family in my life. Blessed means to be favored by divine grace or to have been given gifts or good fortune, often resulting in feelings of gratitude and happiness. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.